Hi guys, let's look at this simple question that we have here. We are told that if sine theta is equal to 4 all over 5, calculate the value of cos theta. So this question involves two topics. They are Pythagoras theory and SOHCAHTOA. Okay, so we are going to need these two topics in solving this particular equation. Okay, so we are told that sine theta is equal to 4 all over 5. We can convert this equation here to a drawing of a right angle triangle. Why are we applying it to a right angle triangle? We are applying it to a right angle triangle because Pythagoras theory, SOHCAHTOA are applied to right angle triangle. Okay, they are only applied to right angle triangle. So let's draw this right angle triangle considering this expression here. So right angle triangle, remember a right angle triangle has one of its angles equal to 90 degrees. So we have this angle equal to 90 degrees. Theta is one of the angles. So let's say this is the angle. We can also identify the theta as this angle, but let's call it this angle here. So this is theta. In SOHCAHTOA, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So let's look at this. If sine theta, let's put theta here. If sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse and we have it equal to 4 over 5, this means that 4 is the opposite and 5 is the hypotenuse. So the opposite side is the side directly opposite the angle in question. So here will be 4. Let's call it 4 centimeters. And the hypotenuse is the slanting side opposite the 90 degrees. So here is 5 centimeters. Okay, but we don't know what here is. Let's call it x. And we are expected to find the value of cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse. So the adjacent is this third side of the triangle. Okay, but we don't know what it is. So this means our adjacent is x all over 5. But we need to know what x is. Okay, for us to find out what x is, we are going to employ Pythagoras theory, because Pythagoras theory can be employed when you know two sides of the triangle and you're expected to find the third side. Remember, this triangle is a right angled triangle. Okay, so we are going to apply Pythagoras theory. The formula says c square is equal to a square plus b square, where c square is the hypotenuse, a square can be any of these sides, b square can be any of these sides. Okay, so let's put in the values. We have 5 square is equal to, let's call here a, so we have 4 square plus x square. 5 square is 25, so we have 25 is equal to 4 square is 16, 16 plus x square. Let's switch the equation. So we have 16 plus x square is equal to 25. So these two are the same thing. We just made the left the right and the right the left. Okay, the next thing we are going to do is move this 16 to the right side, and the positive sign here will change to negative. So we have x square is equal to 25 minus 16. X square is equal to 25 minus 16 is going to give us 9. Therefore, for us to get x, we are not looking for x square, we are looking for x. So in order to cancel the square, we find the square root of both sides. So square root of x square is equal to square root of 9. So square root is going to cancel our square. We have x is equal to square root of 9 is 3. So x is equal to 3 centimeters. Okay, so at the end of the day, we have gotten our x to be 3 centimeters. So we go back to this point where we have cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So where we have x here, we replace it with 3. This means that cos theta is equal to 3 all over 5. This is the simple answer to this question. If you enjoyed the video, you can join my WhatsApp group by clicking on the link in my bio, or you can just simply like the video, share with your friends, and follow for more maths content. See you in the next video. Bye.